What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Okay guys, so today's video it's gonna be pretty quick. I'm gonna be testing out a product that's for your mulch. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so here's the product. It is called Mega Mulch Glue. I'm going to be trying this out. There's a little section up here on top, just mainly to see if it will help, because we have a dog that likes to go up there and she kind of just makes a mess, guys. And I'm hoping this glue for the mulch will help it keep it in place, and hopefully we don't have as much mulch flying around throughout the yard. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. Okay guys, so here's the area we're going to be testing out the mulch glue. As you can see right now, it's all over the place, and that's because our dog likes to come up here and run around and she makes a mess. So we're hoping this mulch glue is going to really help out. Hopefully it is, but we'll see, because our dog's pretty big and she runs pretty fast. So this is going to be a really good test for this mulch glue, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so before we actually apply this, one thing it does say to make sure, it's really important, the mulch has to be dry before you apply this. If your mulch is wet, it's probably not going to work, guys. So you want to really make sure your mulch is really dry, and mine it's really dry right now, especially right here. In about 30 minutes this whole area is going to be hit with sun, and so this is dry already. So make sure it's dry, and then you can go ahead and apply this after it's dry. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to add 32 ounces of this product into your spray pump, and then we're going to add 32 ounces of water to it. One of these bottles is going to cover up to 50 square feet, which should be enough for me, because I don't even, right here in this little area is like a little bit over 25 square feet, so it should work out for me. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we're going to add the bottle. So 32 ounces is actually this whole bottle, so we're going to go ahead and apply the whole thing. Go ahead and give it a mix. Okay, so it's going to be a total of 3 coats. After the first coat, it says to immediately rake your mulch. After that, we're going to go ahead and spray 2 more coats. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so as you saw, after I did the first coat, you want to immediately rake the mulch up, and then before you apply the next 2 coats, you want to make sure it's completely dry before in between coats. So I'm going to give it a few more minutes, let it dry up, and then I'm going to apply 2 more coats, and then we'll be back in 48 hours and we'll see the results. Okay guys, so this is 3 days after applying the mulch glue, and let's check it out. I mean, the top just feels sticky, but as you can see, it still moves pretty easy, guys. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that little shine to it. It's just a little sticky, but it's not really doing a good job at all. It just moves pretty easy. So there you have it, guys. For me, this product is no good. I don't know. I don't know if I should keep looking around, see if I can find a better product. Maybe it's that brand. The brand is from Petratools, which I believe is a pretty well-known company. So I thought it worked really good. The ratings were pretty good when I purchased it online. I was actually purchased it from Amazon. So I don't know. I don't know why the ratings were good, but for me it didn't work. But anyways, guys, there you have it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.